What I wish I knew about AI in warfare before today? It's not science fiction, it's happening right now. Let's dive in. Autonomous drones, AI-powered surveillance, and smart missiles are the new soldiers on the battlefield. But how do they decide who lives and who dies? Here's the game-changer algorithms. They analyze data faster than any human can. Facial recognition, heat signatures, and movement patterns, all processed in milliseconds. Sounds efficient, right? But here's the catch, AI isn't perfect. It can't understand context or make moral decisions. A shadow in the wrong place could mean a false positive. And that's life or death. The debate rages on. Should we trust AI with such power? One thing's for sure, as technology advances, the stakes get higher. What are your thoughts? Comment below and let's discuss. Stay curious, stay informed. See you in the next one. And to stay updated about AI, don't forget to subscribe to AI World.